asked you what you would like to learn more about. It was your lips, your double chin, or eyes. Most of you guys wanted to learn something about the double chin. So I wanted to give you a little bit of knowledge and hacks which you can implement right away into your day. So when it comes to the double chin, we oftentimes think fat is causing our double chin because we are like thinking, oh, this is like soft and this is like me becoming chubby. Well, while sometimes it is the case, most of the times it's actually stuck lymph fluid in your face. So imagine you have a lymphatic system in your body, and if the fluid which runs through your body is stuck, so to speak, and cannot really drain properly, then you look puffy, you accumulate lymph fluid right here, and you feel like you have a double chin, when in reality it's stuck lymph fluid. So what to do? First things first, watch your posture. If you are like walking with an open heart, shoulders down and chest open, then everything here right here relaxes right away, and it can also drain better. So you will definitely feel more lymphatic drainage right away, and therefore your double chin in the long run will also reduce. But what can you do to actually move all this lymph out of the face? First of all, it's very easy actually if you do it regularly. Make sure your hands are clean and you are using your knuckles. You can use also like a gua sha, but honestly I think your hands are your best tools, and you can even use spoons, but make knuckles and then do this for literally 2 minutes straight, like that. And you move all that fluid, like including this double chin fluid right here, towards your ears, and then you drain everything down. And you can do that for a couple of minutes daily and you will see already amazing results. Another trick is also to stretch. So you can definitely do stretches like that, and then also tap gently in downwards motion down your neck. And then the other side. Do each side for a couple of seconds or minutes, and you just enhance lymphatic drainage. And throughout the day, watch your posture, and this is how you can really improve your double chin.